Well, good morning. We are out on the walk beginning lap number 1. It is a little misting, drizzly rain, so I'll be wiping the lens from time to time. So if you see my meat hooks in front of the lens, that's why. It is 48 degrees. Perfect walking weather. Perfect. We're getting after it. All right. Man, I haven't seen the sun in so long, I don't remember what it looks like, man. Crazy. Yeah. Something's been through my trails. My rocks are moved. I'll spin you guys around. Let's go do 5 laps, man. Here we go. Now, the video yesterday was a little dull. I had I still had the white balance set for when I was working in the dog apartment, because there's not much light in there. So I had the white balance set pretty low. I didn't realize that until I edited it. So I have it on the right setting today, and it is recording. And it is recording on regular, not time lapse. And I should have slowed that. I have a new editor, and I wouldn't say it's new. It's a new version. They kind of pulled a fast one on me, guys. Wondershare. Usually you got to update them. Whenever updates pop up, you hit update, and you're good. Well, I guess I didn't read it, so I hit download. Well, it downloaded one Filmora 12, which I was running 11, and then would not let me proceed till I paid $29.99, which I just paid $20 for the other one. That's what it is a month. And so I'm like, well, I don't mind paying the $29, but I want credit for the 20 I paid. And you try to call them or get in a live chat, I got nothing. So I'm going to be pursuing that even further, because that's not right. But there's a few things on Filmora 12 I haven't figured out yet. It's a little different. So with that time lapse yesterday, I wasn't able to slow it down any. So it was like a 10-second blur. All right. Sorry for the clunking. All right, here we go. Halfway through lap 1. Gonna do 5 laps. I'm going the opposite direction. It's a little more difficult. Little wind in the air. It's a little nippy this morning. Wakes you up, I'll tell you that. And I'll go in, make myself another cup of coffee, edit this video, and I'm going to go into the dog apartment, start running some pecs, get that thing plumbed in. Y'all should get that video tonight. Yeah, I weighed myself this morning, lost 2 more pounds. But, you know, I could weigh myself this evening and gain 3. That's how that rolls. I don't really pay attention much to that. I know things are changing. Things are easier for me. Alright, that's the end of lap 1. Over here by Nome Manor. I think they're hibernated now. I haven't seen them little buggers. I don't know. They're up to no good, I can tell you that. All right, guys, let's put some music on. Getting slim pickings on the music choice. I'll give it another week, and there's some Christmas songs on there. I'll play them, but it's far too early for that. All right, here we go.
Chattanooga, boy had $1 and a dime. Headed out for Nashville on the Hard Rock Line. I'm working on that old steamboat and learned to rob and steal. When my feet had touched dry land, how happy I did feel. Saving every penny for to make up through the fall. Working for that dollar, but it never adds up at all. Coming around the river bank where the old train whistle sang, the very next thing you hear from me, I've been tied to a ball and chain. Time tomorrow, reckon I don't know where I'll be. But if it wasn't for that old sheriff, I'd be back in Tennessee, playing cards and crap games, not looking for the score. And if I ever get back home again, I'll never roam no more. Good time, boys, listen to my song. May not know better, but I know you know right from wrong. Buy yourself a postcard so you can see the lights of town. Find yourself a country girl, keep quiet and settle down. What them pretty little lips gonna do to me, babe?
I'm in the middle of my walk. And you're in here having a big tantrum because you want out. Interrupting my walk. Come on. Are you coming? You want it out? Let's go. Come on. I got laps to do. Silly butt. Come on. They don't like you interrupting my video. Don't jump on me with your muddiness. She was throwing a tantrum, guys. Sorry. Here we go. Lap 3 is complete. Back to the music.
Are you staying? Are you coming? Well, you might think you're driving me insane, but I made the game that you're trying to play. You know, I think you really ought to know this ain't my first rodeo. Hell, I've been around long enough to know that there's some things you can't take back. Some things you just got to let go. Well, there's some things you can't take back. Lord, some things you just got to let go. Oh, you gotta let go. Oh, Lord, you can't take it back.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. A shot of love and a spark of love to breathe. The stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now I ain't missed a 9 to 5, I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. A brand new start and a whole new part, they are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe, you know I will. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now nothing is this rush of life, you'll never find its match. So you live to be a million years. All hearts are lost by default in the time of a single beat.
All right, guys, we're actually done with the 5 laps. I'm just coming around another half lap and a thing. I forgot to turn the camera back on after I did a stop. Oh well, we got 5 laps and almost half. All right, we will see you guys tomorrow. I appreciate you coming along. Perfect day to walk, man. I mean, I didn't even hardly break a sweat. I'm not getting out of breath like I used to, and that's good. We're building that lung capacity. All right, guys, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Appreciate all y'all watching. Happy trails.